Welcome back from Mentor English. Today the topic is that what is psychology and some important aspects of psychology or psychological aspects. Welcome back from Mentor English. We have another channel by the name of Murshid Urdu or Mentor Urdu for the services of Urdu, national language of Pakistan, and wide spoken throughout the world, and a channel by the name of Jamia Darul Sheikhul Islam for the services of uh, logic, fiqh, usul al-fiqh and philosophy in Arabic and in Persian. Welcome back. What is psychology? The word psychology has its roots in the Greek word psyche and logos. Psyche implies soul and logos refers to science. So the first definition of psychology was the science of the soul. The science of the soul. Psychology was once considered the study of the soul by Greek philosophers like Plato and Aristotle, who studied it as a branch of philosophy. However, the soul is a metaphysical concept. Since the soul cannot be seen, observed, or touched, we are unable to do scientific research on it. The science of the mind. Uh, Immanuel Kant, a German philosopher, define psychology as the study of the mind. Psychology, according to William James 1892, is the study of the mental process. The word mind, however, has some ambiguity because there are divergent views on nature and the function of the mind. The science of consciousness. Modern psychologists describe psychology as the science of consciousness. In 1884, James Sully referred to psychology as the science of the inner world. Psychology, according to William Wundt, 1892, is the science which studied interior experiences. However, because there are three levels of consciousness: conscious, subconscious and unconscious. This definition was also criticized by some. The science of behavior. The science of behavior. The science of behavior, it became known as the science of behavior when psychologists endeavored to turn psychology into a pure science at the beginning of the 20th century. J.B. Watson is credited with popularizing the term behavior. William McDougall and W.B. Pillsbury are two more proponents. R.S. Wordsworth, no, R.S. Woodworth assert the psychology first lost its soul, then lost its mind, and finally lost its consciousness. It still demonstrated some behavior. So, in the next, inshallah, we will particularly discuss the definition of psychology according to the different psychologists. So, today, the topic is closed and the lecture is over. The lecture is adjourned. So, let me go now and say with me: do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.